Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into the final BoxyCharm Premium unboxing ever. This box is getting discontinued, and I'll talk about that in a little bit, but we're going to unbox the final one, March 2023. And if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the final premium box with me, stay tuned. Now, I do want to clarify that the premium box is going away. It is during the IPSY Boxy merge. Some of the tiers are getting merged, and some are getting combined, and some are getting completely discontinued. This one is kind of being discontinued. They're saying that it's still going to exist because it's going to be the base box, which is now called Boxycharm by IPSY, with something they're calling Beauty Boost. So you're just getting one extra product. But the actual subscription itself is basically just the regular BoxyCharm box, again with that one additional item. So to me, that's not really a new subscription or still existing. To me, that's like, it's gone. Anyway, the theme for the month is Planet Woman, which we love. It is International Women's Month. International Women's Day was like 2 days ago, so really excited to jump into that here. We are in variation 227, which means there's a ton of variations in this box. You know how I feel about variations. I miss when all of the BoxyCharm boxes were basically identical. And I know that some people don't love as much makeup, some people don't love as much skincare, and everybody has their own, opinions on what they like to get. But I loved when I would open a box and everybody else would get the same box. This was the BoxyCharm for the month. And yes, the lipstick color might have been different. There was one month in the very beginning where there was like 9 different ColourPop palettes you could have gotten, but everybody got a ColourPop palette. To me, that was a little more exciting because it felt like this community and we were all kind of getting the same things. But we're going to jump into this variation today. First item out of the box is from the new Co. This is the Super Thick Scalp Serum, and it is spelled S-U-P-A. Retailing for $45, for hair that is thinning or regularly sheds. This topical scalp supplement in the form of a serum is designed to reduce hair shedding and build thicker hair with more body. 90% said their hair is stronger and thicker after 90 days of use. Before washing, massage into the scalp while dry 2 to 3 times a week. This is, I'll be completely honest, not a product I will be using. It's not a product I need. My hair is very curly. I mean, I know there's quite a bit of product in it to keep it like kind of contained right now, but it is also super thick. I do not have fine hair, so I do not need this kind of a product. The next product is from Ciate London, and I have actually received this before. This is the Dewy Blush in the shade, it just says Coconut. Retailing again for $22. This next gen gel balm tint blush is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky, powdery blush. This ultra lightweight finish leaves a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek, blending effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen. Formulated with natural extracts of yuzu and dragon fruit, the blush brightens your base, leaving the skin with an even and healthy flush of color. The main ingredient in this is coconut, which, as you know, I do have it's not really an allergy, but it is. Like, my skin will tend to get super congested. I will get hives from using anything that has coconut products on the skin. Don't have an issue with it on the body, like if it's in a body wash or something, and I don't have an issue if it's in like a lip product. But as far as like in my skin or skincare or blush, it does break me out, so I will be avoiding that. All I have on right now is a lip oil, which is great because the next product is from Luna Magic Beauty. This is the Lush and Plump Hydrating Lip Balm Duo, retailing for $16, so it is 8 a piece. A hydrating sheer lightweight lip balm that leaves the lips soft and lush, infused with vitamin E and jojoba oil to nourish and heal dry lips while locking in moisture. My lips, for some reason, are super dry. I don't know if I like over exfoliated or something, so I did not put on a lipstick today. I actually don't even have foundation. This is just concealer and some cream contour blush and just some powder to lock it in. And I wanted super lightweight, so I didn't do a lip. This is just a literal lip oil. So we're going to pop this on there. There are none of the allergy ingredients that I've mentioned I have an issue with. I'm feeling very glowy, very bronzy, so I'm actually going to use the mango one. It says it's sheer, but if there's like a tint of that tangerine color, I want that over pink. The other one is cherry, And I'm feeling more mango than cherry today. It is your traditional like squeeze up lip tube. It's a little on the thicker side. Definitely more of like a thick balm. Super sheer, but glad I didn't go with the pink one. Right away, that feels exquisite on the lips. I feel like calling it a balm is perfect. It is super hydrating. I'm getting a ton of shine out of it. It has a very subtle mango scent, not a huge mango flavor. Not that I would mind it. Mango is a flavor I do enjoy. But for a lot of times when I'm using like a lip gloss, I don't want it to be overly flavored and overly fragranced because then it feels like I'm supposed to eat it. And then I'm like, this is lip gloss. If it smells too much like food, like that's just weird to me. But this one has like the right amount of flavor that it's like it's there, but it might as well be unflavored or unscented. Like I'm not getting a ton of that. I like the lip oil I had on. Like I've mentioned this. This is like my third tube of it. This is the Cab Beauty lip oil. This came in a BoxyCharm a while ago. But I feel like this is just a much thicker, nicer, luscious consistency, where this might be something that may be a little more better suited to when it's a little warmer outside. This, during these cool months, I think is going to be a game changer. Like, I usually love the lip enhancer from Jouer. This is thicker and feels more lush. That one felt more like a gloss. The next item is from La Palette Beauty. This is the Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser, retailing for $32. This one-step vitamin C cleanser helps to brighten skin while removing debris and makeup. Jelly-like formula contains 88% moisturizing essence to keep your skin hydrated. Now, all of the ingredients look really good. This is definitely going to be very hydrating, going to be very citrusy. So excited to give this a try. Obviously, I just did my makeup and Brandon and I are actually heading out in a little bit, so I'm not going to be washing my face right now, but I'll definitely let you know how I like that in an upcoming video. Next, from Melon Goats, this is the Resurfacing Face Serum. Retails for $70. This 3-in-1 gel serum synthesizes AHAs and vitamin C to help smooth, clarify, and brighten your skin. Formulated with a potent ingredients that work together to deliver numerous benefits in just one step. The multitasker is the perfect addition to an uncomplicated regimen for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Excited to give this a try. I do want to give you that reminder. Once you open your skincare, it starts to expire. Additionally, once you start using it, you will not see results until 28 to 60 days in. And that's for like the average 25 to 40-year-old. As you get older, that window gets longer and longer. So the people who are going to sit on camera, try this on and be like, oh my God, this is beautiful. I love it. It's amazing. I can tell you how it smells. I can tell you how it feels. I can tell you if I put it on right now, if I'm going to get, like tomorrow, I could say I got a breakout or contact dermatitis or an allergic reaction. But as far as whether or not it's working, not going to know that after just one use. And the last item is from Artist Couture. This is the Club Daddy Eyeshadow Pressed Pigment Palette. Turn up and dominate the scene with this bold, eye-catching palette that is sure to bring on a spotlight. The palette features 6 buttery mattes, 1 ultra sparkly duochrome, and 2 multi-dimensional high pearl finishes in an array of vibrant tones, retailing for $38. Now, I have used the Artist Couture palettes in the past, and I didn't love the formula. I think these colors are beautiful, but today is not one of the days where I'm going to throw on blue eyeshadow, though that blue is calling to me. I have a tiny bit of shimmer on the lid and some bronzer in my crease. Like I said, Brandon and I are going out, so I really don't feel like having a middle of the day afternoon rainbow smoky eye. So I will be playing around with this in a future video. If you are interested, let me know if you want to see that below. But for today, I'm going to be passing on it. As always, this box is a $40 purchase price. And just grabbing my calculator, this box has a value of $223. So definitely getting your money's worth. I think just looking at what's here and the things I'm not going to use for allergy reasons, not the best box. I love the lip balm. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. Excited to try out the serum and the cleanser. So if I really end up liking those products, this will definitely be worth it. But this is one that when you first open it, doesn't have a ton of wow factor. Like, nothing against this palette. Artist Couture makes my favorite highlighter of all time, second favorite highlighter of all time. It's definitely top 2. The Diamond Glow powders are stunning. I still use Illuminati regularly. And when you open this palette, like something about the slanty palettes, it feels very 2018. The hollow chrome is pretty, photographs well, but it just doesn't like wow me when I open it up. It feels like Barbie makeup. Anyway, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.